The next problem is find the smallest number by which 180 must be multiplied. See here, what they ask is the given number, that is 180. What is actually given number is 180. Okay. Now they ask that now what they ask, they not tell that it is a perfect square or not, only tell that what is the number need to multiply with this 180 in order to make this 180, in order to multiply, so that whatever we get, once if you multiply, whatever you get the product, it should be a perfect square. Very simple. You have to try and factorize this on 180. I will tell you how. Very simple. 180, it is divisible by 2, 2 nines. Okay, again it is divisible by 2. Okay, now it is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. Next it is divisible by 3. Next is 5. Okay, now 180 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. Okay, now see here, you have to make, well, whether it is perfect square or not, you can check it. Now you first group the factors in a pair. 2 2 can be paired easily, of course. Into 3 3 can be paired. Okay, the one factor is remaining 5. See here, in order to make, if there is a one factor 5 comes here, then it becomes 180 becomes perfect square. Sorry, not 180 becomes perfect square, then the product will becomes a perfect square. Means that if you multiply this 180 with another 5, we get a perfect square, isn't it? Therefore I can say, see here, 180 multiplied by 5, if you multiplied by this, is a product which is perfect square. Say, therefore we must multiply the number by 5. What we can say, thus we must multiply the number by 5. By 5, so that the product is perfect square. See what happens here, very interesting. I will recap the things in a quick manner. Okay, I will recap the things in a quick manner. Previously I told you, see, whenever there is a small number, I am going to recap very in a simple manner. Whenever a small number like 4 is there, 9 is there, 16 is there, or 81 is there, like that. You can 25 is there, like that. Any number, if I give these numbers, anyone can tell that yes, of course, it is a perfect square. Anyone can tell. But whenever there is a big number, whenever more than this, like 3-digit number, 4-digit number, by looking into the number, you cannot say. Now to say whether it is a perfect square or not, you have to follow some steps. First, what we can make, this is prime factorization. We can make first step is prime factorization. Next step is you have to group the factors in a pair. Based on that we can tell. Whether the given number is perfect square or not. If the factors left over, then the given number is not perfect square. If the factors are over, the given number is perfect square. Okay, these are the things we have studied. Then you have to take each factor from a pair, to find a number whose square is given number. Whatever the given number, they ask to find out whether the given number is perfect square or not. We are finding square root. I will tell much later, but we have to take each factor from a pair to find the number whose square is given number. Okay, these are the steps we followed and find here. Now in this case, in this problem, what they ask, 180, while prime factorization of 180, the one factor is left over, is 5. In order to make this product, I'm not taking 180. You can't make 180 as a perfect square. But if you multiply something to the 180 with 180, we can make whatever the product we can make, that is perfect square. What the factor we need to multiply? Fact 5. If I make again one more 5, we can make a pair here. Therefore, 5 can be multiplied with 180 to become the product is a perfect square. Clearly understand. very clear understanding.